Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS Device Farm. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is AWS Device Farm? Automated app testing, remote access interaction, terms, sample supported device list and device slots. So what is AWS Device Farm? AWS Device Farm allows testing of both web and mobile applications, improving their overall quality across platforms. The service provides access to a wide variety of desktop browsers and real mobile devices for comprehensive testing. Users don't need to provision or manage any testing infrastructure. AWS Device Farm enables running tests simultaneously on multiple browsers or devices. By allowing concurrent testing across multiple devices and browsers, Device Farm dramatically reduces the time required to execute your entire test suite. The service automatically creates videos and logs of the testing process, providing valuable visual and textual data for analysis. With the generated videos and logs, developers can quickly spot, diagnose, and resolve problems in their applications. So first feature is automated app testing. Device Farm allows flexibility by allowing users to upload their own test or utilize built-in script-free compatibility test for app testing. The service performs tests in parallel, enabling simultaneous testing on multiple devices, which significantly reduces the overall time taken and speeds up the testing process. As tests are completed, Device Farm generates comprehensive reports including high-level results, low-level logs, pixel-to-pixel screenshots, and performance data, providing thorough analysis of app behavior. Device Farm supports testing of both native and hybrid Android and iOS applications, which caters to a wide range of app development approaches. The service is compatible with apps created using different frameworks such as PhoneGap, Titanium, Xamarin, Unity, and other frameworks. Device Farm supports remote access to Android and iOS apps, enabling developers to perform interactive testing and gain hands-on experience with their apps on different devices. Tests on multiple devices begin within minutes of submission, which allows for quick turnaround and efficient testing cycles. So next feature is remote access interaction with AWS Device Farm. Remote access enables users to swipe, gesture, and interact with the device in real time through a web browser, which provides a hands-on experience without physical access to the device. Customer service representatives can utilize remote access to guide customers through device setup or usage. Representatives can walk customers through the use of specific apps running on the device, offering direct assistance and problem solving for app-related queries. Developers or testers can install apps during a remote access session and reproduce reported customer problems or bugs. Device Farm collects and logs detailed information about all actions that occur during the remote access session. At the end of each session, Device Farm produces a video capture, offering a visual record of the entire interaction for review, documentation, and training purposes. Remote access serves as a powerful tool for both customer support and development teams, enabling real-time problem solving, testing, and quality assurance across various devices and scenarios. So now we'll go through some of the terms. First one is a device pool, which is a collection of devices that typically share similar characteristics such as platform, manufacturer, or model. Second is a job, a request for a Device Farm to test a single app against a single device. A job contains one or more suites. Next one is metering, which refers to billing for devices. You might see references to metered devices or unmetered devices in the user interface. Next important term is project, which is a logical workspace that contains one run for each test of a single app against one or more devices. You can use projects to organize workspaces in whatever way you choose. For example, you can have one project per app title or one project per platform, and you can create as many projects as you need. Next term is report, so contains information about a run, which is a request for Device Farm to test a single app against one or more devices. Then a run, which is a specific build of your app with a specific set of tests to be run on a specific set of devices. A run produces a report of the results. A run contains one or more jobs. Session, which is a real-time interaction with an actual physical device through your web browser. Suite, which is the hierarchical organization of tests in a test package. A suite contains one or more tests. And finally, a test, which is an individual test case in a test package. Okay, on this page we can see the currently supported device list. So we have Android platform as well as Apple platform, and the currently supported phones. So we have Google Pixel 7 and 8 Pro, and the Samsung phones like Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all those things. And within Apple we have iPad and iPhone phones as well. So this is as of this recording. So next we'll see device slots. Device slots determine the number of devices you can run concurrently in test or remote access session. The more slots you purchase, the higher is your concurrency. So basically you have to purchase device slots before you can start any kind of test. AWS Device Farm offers two types of device slots. First one is remote access slots for interactive sessions, and second is automated testing slots for running automated tests. For remote access device slots, with one slot you can run only one remote access session at a time, and you can purchase additional slots which allows you to run multiple sessions concurrently. And for automated device slots, automated testing device slots, you have one slot which allows you to run test on a single device at a time, and then you have additional slots which can enable concurrent testing on multiple devices. So both with automated as well as remote access, so they follow the same model. You have single slot as well as multiple slots. And benefits of additional slots: the more remote access slots enable multiple simultaneous interactive sessions, and additional automated testing slots speed up the process of obtaining test results by allowing parallel testing. You can purchase device slots based on the device family. So in both the cases, Android and iOS devices, for both automated and remote access. So both offers these remote access as well as automated testing. And that's all. Thanks for watching.